Healthy body and wellness are important aspects of everybody's life, and so is monitoring them. That's why if you ever feel uneasy, you must check your oxygen levels with Ambitic fingertip pulse oximeter. Because when it comes to your health, you need the best. You need the best Ambitic pulse oximeter. A quick, convenient, and easy way to check your pulse rate and levels of oxygen known as SpO2 in your blood. This simple device can be used anytime, anywhere. Ambitic Pulse Oximeter is ISO and IEC certified. Ambitic Healthcare is an ISO certified Indian company. Ab hoga, har ghar healthy. To begin with, gently slide out the battery cover. Insert two AAA alkaline batteries that come along with the device. Then carefully slide in the battery cover. Press down the end of the clip and gently place your index finger of the left hand in it. To power on the device, gently press Settings button. In seconds, its crystal clear LED display will show you the accurate SpO2, pulse rate, perfusion index, pulse graph, while it gives you an analysis for spot check measurements. It also has continuous measuring mode, which can be used for longer periods. You can also rotate its innovative display in 4 different directions by simple short pressing the settings button. The smart oximeter shuts off automatically after 5 seconds if no finger is detected.